Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the resolutions for when notifications are not working on Windows 11. And now, let's get started. First, let us check the fundamental notification settings. Right-click on your Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, navigate to the System tab. Within the System tab, you will find an option labeled Notifications. Click on Notifications. Here, you will see a switch that controls whether notifications are enabled. Ensure that this switch is turned on. Additionally, locate the Do Not Disturb switch and confirm that it is turned off, as this setting will prevent all notifications from appearing. Next, we should examine the focus settings, which can also interfere with notification delivery. Still within the Settings app, look for an option called Focus. Select Focus. Within the Focus section, make sure that there is no active focus session currently running. If a focus session is active, it might be suppressing your notifications. These are the primary settings to check when you are experiencing issues with Windows 11 notifications not working. Hope this was helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.